Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about the automation using Selenium. So to kickstart with the automation Selenium, we are going to create a new Maven project, and in here if you see I have installed this Eclipse IDE, and we are going to do complete automation using this Eclipse IDE. So to kickstart with the Selenium, first of all we will need a Maven project, which I have multiple projects in here, but to start with our new series, like we will start with a new project. So let me create a new project. For that you just have to click on the file, go to click on new, and then go to projects. So once you go to project, here you can find this Maven project. Just click on that and click on next. So once we click on next, here it will ask for either you want to go with the default work location. So yeah, let's go with the default and click on next. And here we have this select archetype. So in here you can just filter with Maven. If you filter with Maven, there will be a multiple projects in here. If you see, we can go with this Maven org.apache.maven.archetypes. So let's go with this quick start. So let's select this, and version is 1.5. You might see a different version. It could be based on the different version, like if it is upgraded or the latest version, but currently I have 1.5. So let's go with this and click on next. And in here if you see, the group ID is QA Fox, so which is something like, group ID is nothing but it's kind of a organization or something you can give it, like let's say that com.org. Basic g dot automation, Selenium automation. And archetype is nothing but it's a project name. So basically you can give project name as Selenium automation series. Okay, and let's give the other things, let it remain same, and let's click on the finish. Once we click on finish, so in the console we can see all this required. Yeah, so basically it starts for scanning for the projects, and whatever we have selected, based on that, whatever the prerequisites required to create the Maven project, it will download those, and we just have to give the confirmation whether you want to create this project. Let's give it as Y. Once that's done, then build success you can see, and in here you can see the project, it's created the Maven.
So now once we expand this project, here we can see the main one is one of the folder which we have is the as a source main Java. So in here we can see the sub package which is com.org.selenium automation, and you have this project's name, and by default we have one of this Java file. So let's keep it as it is, and basically this source.main.java is nothing but you can write all the utilities kind of a projects classes, and you can keep it in this folder. And when it comes to the test level folder, so in here you can have all the test cases and all the relevant classes in here, and these are the different libraries which was required for this Maven. So it will be under this JRE system library and Maven dependency. Here as well you can see all these required dependencies in here, and in the later upcoming videos we will add multiple dependencies which is required for the automation. Okay, and this POM, the other important thing is this pom.xml file. So in here if you see, you can see the group ID which we have given, and the artifact ID and the version, and you can see the project name, and you can see different dependency. This is one of the important section which we have to look. So mostly if you see here, by default this Maven project is by default it has given us this dependency which is a JUnit. So JUnit by default it's giving us the dependency. So but yeah, upcoming videos we will go with the testng. So let's this is the one of this important file, and apart from that, like we will just now our project test Maven project test setup is done. So in our next video we will start with the basic Selenium locators and how we can automate the things. Thank you. If you like this video, please do subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you.